Wake and Bake Part 2, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? It's your boy Big Diesel. Big D to some of you motherfuckers in these streets, nigga, you feel me? Hey, look out for me though, you feel me? It's coming down, nigga. Big boy murder out of nigga. You know what I'm saying? Slugs in my mouth, slugs in my motherfucking thing, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Pop a bottle on the champagne, you feel me? The real talk though, man. I'm a kinfolk, boy, you know what I'm talking about. Hey though, when you see me, holler at me though, man. It's number love though, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no hate, nigga, you know what I'm talking about. I show love, you know what I'm talking about. I congratulate that next nigga, you know what I'm talking about. Nigga, I'm doing good, so why would I want nobody else to do good? You kidding me, man? Yeah, man, we out here chilling, man. Holding it down, man. Top plant rapper. Born and raised 1G, nigga. 1G, nigga. Hold it up, 1G, nigga. Right for sure. Y'all that don't know, man, that was the motherfucking spot, man. You know what I'm talking about? But nigga, we on this wake and bake session part 2, nigga. I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm gonna wake and bake. You know, my hair need cut, so I got the little brim on my crown on and shit. So don't worry about it. Tell you something. Kid folk, nigga. Born and raised, nigga, in this motherfucking shit, nigga. What to do all my niggas out here on these streets, man. It's a good life, man. You hear the birds and shit, man. You feel me, man? Like, it's early, man. I'm just waking up and shit. Nigga. I wash my face and brush my teeth and shit. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? I went to bed like this and shit, nigga. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? I woke up putting like this, nigga. Put this to start out, nigga. You feel me, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Hey, well, holla at me when you see me in the street, nigga. I'm gonna get out of here, nigga. I gotta go do some things, right? Play some things. Might holler at your man. Girl. Nah, I ain't like that though, bro. Hey, when you see me, don't holler at me. You know what I'm saying? It's all love, nigga. You know? Get vote. Trill. Trill on the track. Ah. Get vote, baby. Hey, though, man. I'm gonna say one more thing, man. Some niggas go broke. Hey, this is real talk. Some niggas go broke, man. Trying to smoke good weed. I ain't hating on nobody. You know what I'm talking about? Nobody. No motherfucking body. But niggas can't smoke good weed, man. Don't get mad at that next nigga because all you do is smoke good weed, man. And you might come around here once in a while with some bullshit or something. Huh? Hmm? I live in, man. When you see me in the streets, baby, peace out. Kinfolk, forever in a day, nigga. All is one, P.F. Male, nigga. Kinfolk for life, nigga. What it do, nigga? Fam team, nigga. Blood money, nigga. East side, nigga. All the motherfucking hoods in Gtown, nigga. I see you, nigga. It's going down, nigga. We running this shit, nigga. All of us, nigga, is one, nigga. We running this shit, nigga. Bringing this shit back to our motherfucking town, nigga. Beat your back down, nigga. You feel me, nigga? Kinfolk, nigga. Gtown, nigga. Mississippi, man. Stand the fuck up, nigga. Let's take over this shit, nigga. Like it's supposed to be done, nigga. On some real shit. But nigga, like I said, nigga, one, nigga. Love.